This was definitely my first time riding an electric skateboard, and I'm gonna definitely do it again. That was a lot of fun.
Traffic is crazy. This thing, though, I can definitely see myself getting on this and kind of zipping around.
Oh yeah, you go pretty fast on it. You know, pretty easy to learn. You learn in like 5 seconds.
When I rode it, it was super stable and the controls were like perfect.
Normally I would never skate, but this is so smooth and easy for beginners. I give it 2 thumbs up.
1, 2, 3, listen.